You could be anywhere in the world right now, but you're here with me, Expediting America. Excuse me, sir. Where's the shipping at?
El pickup.
I'm going at pickup, going to Cincinnati, Ohio.
Cincinnati, okay. Ese es el 40.
Okay.
Okay.
Ask him.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hey man, how you doing? I'm picking up and going to. You look just like my friend from back home. That's so funny.
Oh, so sorry.
I'm picking up and going to Cincinnati, Ohio.
Do you got a pickup number?
Yeah. It's a lot of Doritos. All right, so after we get to a shipper, we check in with the shipping office, let them know our order number and stuff like that, make sure everything's good. And then we go to the loading dock, which is usually the ramps because we can't fit at the dock heights for like the semi trucks. So we go to the ramps that go to the big doors. Now this doesn't usually happen, but you can see there's two guys ahead of me right here. Usually I'm the only one picking up in most cases, but it looks like we got some expediters here, so more friends. Today we're here picking up in Calexico, which is like Cali, Mexico, or like Mexicali, but we're on the American side, so it's Calexico or Calexico. And we're picking up here 2,300 pounds, and we're going to Cincinnati, Ohio. So I think that's a 2,023 mile trip. It's not paying top dollar. We've been doing really good with over $1 lately, but this trip is going to be paying, I think it was like 93 or 94 cents per mile. But we're getting out of California. We're finishing off the week with a long trip, so we're about $5,500 for this week, which is pretty good for the van. So yeah, definitely thankful for that. Thankful that we're moving and we had a good week, you know, starting on a Tuesday and ending today on a Saturday, and everything's pretty good. Everything went pretty smooth. You know, a few hiccups with weather and stuff like that, but that's what we do. We make it happen. All right, so we're all loaded up here. Excuse the mess, but strapped up. Got two of them stacked. It's 2,700 pounds, so a little heavier than anticipated. But everything's good to go. Let's hit the road. Got here to the Ford plant about an hour ago. They're like, yeah, we're doing a shift change at 2, and we'll get you unloaded. Been like 30 minutes since they said that. And this whole trip here was over 2,000 miles. Every 4 to 6 hours, they would hit me up. The broker would hit me up, ask me my location. Am I gonna make it on time? Are you sure you're gonna make it on time? I'm like, yes, every time. You know what I mean? And then right after they hit me up, my dispatch would hit me up because they hit up my dispatch to ask me where I was at. And then they would call me at the same time, so I'm getting like double asked at least 4 or 5 times this trip. So at least 10 times if you double it up, because I got my dispatcher hitting me up and I got the broker hitting me up. I told them 1:30 the whole time. Ever since I left, I told them 1:30. I'll be there at 1:30 on Sunday. Between 1:30 and 2. And they're like, are you sure? Are you sure? Like, how are you gonna make it in time? You're so far away. Like, what do you mean? Like, just let me do my job. I'm undefeated, baby. I've got like 1 late because weather situation, not even my situation. But anyways, we're here waiting. I really gotta take a dump, to be honest with you. And there's a porta potty outside, so if they take a little bit longer, I might have to use it. Just being honest.
2,000 years later.